Good day, everyone. You are welcome to our online class. Today, we are going to look at the subject mathematics, and it's for grade 4 pupils. We want to look at the topic approximation of decimal numbers to decimal place. In our last class, we talked about how to approximate numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest thousands. But today, we want to see how we can approximate decimal numbers to decimal place. Our learning objectives are, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to approximate decimal numbers to 1 decimal place. Number 2, approximate decimal numbers to 2 decimal places. Number 3, approximate decimal numbers to 3 decimal places. Okay? Now, these are the 3 examples that you are going to solve in the course of this class. Number 1, we are asked to approximate 2.451 to 1 decimal place. Number 1, 2.451 to 1 decimal place. The DP here stands for decimal place. That's the short form. Now, you write your solution. You write 2.451. Whenever you are asked to approximate to 1 decimal place, what you are going to do is that you consider the digits after the decimal point. You consider the digits after the decimal point. Since we are working with 1 decimal place, you have to look at the question you are given. If you look at it very well, you can see that 4 is the first digit here, which is the first number, and we have 5. We still have to apply the last principle we use in approximating number to the nearest 10. Any number that is up to 5 will be rounded up to 10. And anyone that is less than 5 will be rounded down to 0. Okay? From here, we now write 2 point. What is the next digit now? The next digit here is 4. But we are asked to approximate to 1 decimal place. You consider this digit here, which is 5. 5, since it's up to 5, you take 1 from here and add it to 4 to make it what? 5. Then the answer becomes 2.5. That is, we have approximated 2.451 to 1 decimal place. And it's now what? 2.5. Now, example 2. We are asked to approximate 45.671 to 2 decimal places. 5.271 to 2 decimal places. You write your solution. From here, you have 5.271. Okay? Now, in the first example, we approximate to 1 decimal place. But here, we are going to approximate to 2 decimal places. That is 2 digits after the point. 2 digits after the point. And what are the 2 digits? That is 2 and 7. Then you now consider the 3rd digit. If it's up to 5 or it's less than 5, you can see that 1 is less than 5. So there's no way you add any number to 7. Your answer will be 5.27. Why? Because 1 is not up to 5. Are you following? Okay. Now, let's go to the 3rd example. We are asked to approximate 5.4533 to 3 decimal places. 5.4533 to 3 decimal places. We have 5.45 4, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3 decimal places. You write your solution, okay, and write your question, which is 5.4533. Now, since we want to write it in 3 decimal places, you have to consider the 3 digits after the decimal. What are the 3 digits after the decimal? We have 4, 5, and 3. Then you consider the 4th digit. If it's up to 5, you approximate it to the next one by adding 1 to the next digit. But since 3 is less than 5, you consider 3 is less than 5. So our answer will be 5.453. Are you following? You consider it's very, very easy. The number of decimal places will determine the number of digits that will be after the point. So whenever you are asked to approximate any number to decimal places, irrespective of the numbers, you have to follow the digit you are given in the question. Okay? Now, let's continue. This is your assignment. Okay? You go through it. Number 1, you have to approximate the following to 1 decimal place. A, 13.84. B, 4.23. Number 2, approximate the following to 2 decimal places. A, 2.406. B, 4.356. And C, 0.392. I hope it's very simple. You should be able to do that. See you in our next class. Thank you.